Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to select your theme and basically set it up. So once you're on the home page, you'll see the customize theme option here. So just click on that, and you'll see that there are a lot of free themes and a lot of paid themes, but I would say that free themes is all you need. You don't even need the paid themes. I have never used a paid theme because the free themes are really good and they're really well optimized. So just click on visit theme store and you'll be taken onto the theme store. Just give it a second to load. Alright, you can see the themes here, the free and paid ones. Just click on free and you'll be able to see all the themes that are available. And there are a lot of themes actually, but the themes I personally like is the simple theme, which is a really minimal theme, and of course the minimal theme itself. This is one of my personal favorites, and give me a second. All industries, most popular. You can see that minimal theme is also one of the most popular ones because this theme works really well. And all these themes are essentially really well optimized, as they have been tested countless times by Shopify themselves, because they want you to succeed. They want you to get sales. So let's say once you find the theme you want, so I'll just say just go for the minimal theme and you're good to go. Click on that and then click on install theme and publish as my store theme, and it will take a few seconds and it's gonna install your theme. There you go. The theme has been installed. So once you go to your store, right here, which is here, you'll see that the theme has been installed. Featured collection and an image for the home page, the search button, and login, create account. Alright, there you go. The theme is set up. Now all you have to do is set up your store and you're good to go. I'll show you how to do the rest in the next videos. Alright, thank you.